So in height and distance, what happens, you know, there was a question in your pre-board exams, right? There was a there was a building, there was a building, right? There was a building of height h, right? And there is a person who is, say, here. So angle of elevation was initially 30 degree, right? And he travels 60 meters. He travels 60 meters, and after that, angle of elevation become, sorry, it's 60 degree. This is x, this is h, right? So this is angle of elevation. So in this case, this total distance goes to, from here to here, it is x plus 16, right? And so if we solve this question, so this is, say, question number 1 we have, right? So this is tan. If I take tan 60, then it becomes tan 60 is equal to height upon base, perpendicular upon base. So it is tan 30 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h upon x. So we can write it h is equal to root 3x. Fine. And if now we go for tan 30 degree, tan 30. So tan 30 is h upon x plus 60. X plus 60, and h is equal to root 3x, and 1 upon, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to root 3x upon x plus 60, right? So it becomes, we cross multiplied it, so we get basically root 3 into root 3x is equal to x plus 60. So this is 3x minus x is equal to 60. So 2x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 by 2. It becomes x is equal to 30 meter. Fine. So this distance is of 30 meter. This distance of 30 meter. And now we have to, if we have to find height, so what we will do, height is equal to h. So h is equal to root 3x, right? So it becomes x is 30 into 1.732. It is 0. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 2, 5. After 3 it is, so it is 51.96 meter So approximately it is 52 meter is height of building, right? So this is 51.960 meter or 52 meter. I hope you understand, right? So this was the question we have for height and distance, right? And as uh, I told you, I send you a question paper, right? In this sample paper I send you, in that first question was related to CI. Sorry, recurring. Should I rub this? Okay. So now it is RP opened a recurring deposit account. Right. Question number 2 we have RP open a recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account. MI is rupees 750, right? And it is for time is for 1.5 years. So we can take it 12 plus 6 becomes 18 months, right? And RP recurring positive account for the total money deposited for 1.5 years. So principal is, so principal P means money she deposited, money she deposited is equal to N into MI. So it is 18 into 750. So how much it will be? 0.57. It is 13,500 rupees, right? So amount which she deposited during the course of 8 months principal is 13,500 rupees. Getting? Now one question. Should I have this? Hello. Hello. Now we have question number 3. That is from quadratic equation. That is 2x square plus root 7x minus 7 is equal to 0, right? So a is equal to 2, B is equal to root 7 and C is equal to minus 7. So B square minus 4AC is equal to root 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 7. It becomes 7 plus 56, right? So it becomes 63. Getting 63. So x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So when we substitute the values, then we get minus b means minus root 7 plus minus root 63 means 9 into 7 upon 2 into 2, right? So we can write x is equal to minus root 7 plus minus 3 root 7 upon 4. So if we take x is equal to minus root 7 plus root 7 plus 3 root 7 upon 4, so it becomes 2 root 7 upon 4, it becomes 2, so it is root 7 by 2. And if x is equal to minus root 7 minus 3 root 7 upon 4, then we get x is equal to minus 4 root 7 upon 4. 4 cancel out, so we get x is equal to minus root 7, right? So there are two zeros we have. One we have this minus root 7 and this is root 7 by 2. These two zeros are there, right? So this is we have about quadratic equation. Hello. No, no, Ari. You have done this? Done. So now question number 4. Now we are going to talk about should I have this? Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. There is a topic in ratio proportion, that is compounding of ratio, right? Compounding of ratios. means A ratio B, A ratio B is equal to C ratio D is equal to E up ratio F. When we do compounding, on compounding, it becomes A C E upon B D F, right? And sum of antecedents, sum of antecedents, antecedents, antecedents upon sum of consequence, sum of बिल्कुल sum of antecedent upon sum of consequent is equal to that is A plus B plus C upon, oh sorry, that is A plus into compounding में into, and on adding, when we are adding B plus B plus F is equal to constant. This is constant. Getting? Means a fixed value K, it will same for all. That is, if sum is, say, that is K, so that will be A upon B is equal to K, C upon D is equal to K, and E upon F is equal to K, right? So this is, we have, and another, there is according to thesaurus.com, whether you're looking to stop swimming or just exploring, according to thesaurus.com, whether you're looking to stop swimming or just exploring vocabulary, we have gathered 10 other ways to say your favorite effort. जैसे ये कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो बेस्ड सम should be definitely there, right? जैसे कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो, यू नो दैट, लाइक जैसे आपके में एक क्वेश्चन था ना, आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू दैट A ratio B proportion C ratio D, right? So prove that, so prove that 3A plus 5B upon 3C plus 5D is equal to 3A minus 5B upon 3C minus 5D. Getting? I hope you remember this. So how you will do this? So in this question, नहीं, इसमें ये चीज है कि you will first write A upon B is equal to C upon D. Fine. Since it is given you and you have to prove this, and both side multiplying by 3 by 5. Both side multiplying by 3 by 5, right? So now you get 3, 3a upon 5b is equal to 3c upon 5d, right? Now you can apply by applying componendo dividendo, by applying componendo and dividendo, what you will get 3a plus 5b upon 3a minus 5b is equal to 3c plus 5d upon 3c minus 5d, right? Now here applying componendo, sorry, alterando. Here we apply alterando. Here we apply alterando, yeah. So we get 3a plus 5b upon 3c plus 5d is equal to 3a minus 5b upon 3c 3c minus 5d, right? This is the question which huh? No, you have to prove this only. So you will go like this, math, this way. If it is given you like this, and you have to find this a ratio b proportion c ratio d, then you will go like that. No, a ratio b proportion c ratio d. Then you will go like this. Then you will go like this. Yes, yes. Yes. If you apply componendo and dividendo, then things will be changed. If you apply first alterando, then things will be changed, right? नहीं वो यहाँ पे नहीं हो, हाँ नहीं वो नहीं होगा, हाँ वो यहाँ पे नहीं होगा बेटा, मैं समझ रहा हूँ आपकी बात, आप उल्टा जा रहे हो क्वेश्चन में, आपको यू हैव टू फाइंड फ्रॉम हेयर टू दिस, इसलिए हम इस तरह से चलेंगे। हाँ, हाँ, कई बार ऐसे, नहीं कई बार ये होता है कि ये नंबर ऐसे दिया गया है और आपको ये रेशो निकालना है, आपको दिया गया है कि मान लो दिस इज टू, शुड आई रब दिस, हाँ, if question is like that कि if question is like this, that 2a 2a plus 7b upon 2c plus 7d is equal to 2a minus 7b upon 2a 2c 2c minus 7d, and prove a ratio b proportion c ratio d. In this case, agar question is like this you have to prove. So you will go like that. You will first write uh, on applying on applying mm, component alterando on applying alterando. So ये हो जाएगा 2a plus 7b upon 2a minus 7b is equal to 2c plus 7d upon 2c minus 7d. And then we will take, you know, then by by applying componendo and dividendo, then we get 2a plus 7b plus 2a minus 7b upon 2a plus 7b minus 2a plus 7b is equal to 2c plus 7d plus 2c minus 7d upon 2c plus 7d minus 2c plus 7d. So this plus minus 7b cancel out, plus minus 2a k2a cancel out, plus minus 7d cancel out, plus minus 2c cancel out. So you get 2 2 into 2a upon 2 into 7b is equal to 2 into 2c upon 2 into 7d upon, right, and both side multiplying by 7 by 2, both side multiplying by 7 by 2. So this 7 and 7 gone, this 2 and 2 gone, this 2 and 2 gone, this 7 and 7 gone, and at last you get a upon b is equal to c upon d. Therefore a ratio b proportion c ratio d. Getting? This is the answer. If you have to prove this inverse process, right? So this is we have uh, so I hope क्या है ये हाँ मतलब this much is I hope similarity you have done uh, अच्छा अच्छा yeah yeah now we talk about similarity. So at what time you woke up in the morning? At what time you woke up in the morning? No, so today you go to sleep after when this class will be finished. You go to sleep because for maths exam you should be your quiet. So don't do studies, beyond this limit. Go for sleep. Take 4 to 5 hours sound sleep. Then you woke up around 5 to 6 in the morning and then studies. And at that time, if you need any help, you can make me a call. I'll give you class again. Right? But this time you won't awake and try to study. There is no matter you. It will be not good for your exams. Fine. After finishing this class, नहीं but मतलब आई एम टेलिंग फॉर योर बेटरमेंट. मैथ्स में बड़ी दिक्कत है. इफ यू नॉट टेक साउंड स्लीप देन यू विल गेट, इट विल बी, मतलब सेम टाइम रहेगा. टाइम विल बी सेम, लेकिन लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर आप साउंड स्लीप नहीं लोगे तो आपका बदलेगा. So for math exam, it is very necessary you should take proper sleep. वरना अगर आप, हाँ तो सो जाओ उसके बाद आराम से, और फिर सुबह उठ के पढ़ना, और फिर कोई जरूरत हो मेरे को बताना. आई गिव यू कॉल. मेरे को कॉल कर देना, मैं पढ़ा दूंगा. Okay. अभी क्या है देखो, सुनो मेरी बात. These are two triangles, right? If condition is like that, if AB AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, right? AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, right? And angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P. Then by SAS similarity. SAS similarity, right? And if this is condition, this is case one. Case one. In case two, if angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q, right? Angle Q. Then by AA similarity. AA similarity, triangles are similar. AA similarity, हाँ. Hmm. लेकिन you have to find the ratio. If ratio is same, then it will work. Say एक मिनट, let me finish here. Right, by AA similarity, triangles are similar, right? One more thing is there. One more thing. Just wait for a while. If now we have case three. In case three, what happens? Case three, if AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR, then by SSS, triangles similar, fine, similar, right? If you are say, what you was talking about, say this side is given you, this side is given you 6, right? And this side is given you 3, right? And this side is given you say 4, uh, right? And this side is say 2, right? Yeah, this side is 2, right? And this angle and this angle are equal. This P is equal to angle B. Well, they are similar because this corresponding side is equal to this corresponding side is equal to this, right? You are getting me? Huh? ये देखो ए बी अपॉन पी आर, ए बी अपॉन पी आर कितना हो गया? ए बी 6, पी आर इज 3. तो ये हो गया ना 2/1 का रेशो, राइट? सिमिलरली अगर हम लेते हैं बी सी अपॉन पी क्यू, बी सी अपॉन पी क्यू, तो बी सी इज 4, sorry, PQ is 2, so it becomes 2/1 का रेशियो हो गया. और there including angle, this angle B is equal to angle P. So by SAS similarity. Getting? Side angle side. Right? I hope you understand. Huh? So with this whether we should close. You go sleep, go take sleep. You go and take sleep, and after that, if you woke up in the morning, give me a call. I'll reach you if you want anything. Right? Okay then. Bye. Bye.